YouTube, it's your boy OG Drip, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Y'all turn on that bell so y'all can get these notifications that these videos coming in. So today I want to move on to talking deep about astrology. So if y'all want to know just a little quick background tip of astrology, this is basically the intro of what to expect and what we will start talking about. So when it comes to astrology, what is astrology? It is basically what's your celestial name, so you can figure out what being you was or how you ended up getting here and all of the sort, your soul purpose, basically your whole soul map. So to show you where you should be going in life and what you should be doing and why you're like you is and so forth. And you will also be able to see why other people is like they are, and you'll also be able to see that you'll have better parenting skills if you're a parent and stuff like that, because you'll know what to expect out of the child, or what you're raising, or the kids that you're raising. So I want to dig into it, y'all, by just telling y'all off bat. I want y'all to think of a 360 circle, right? And I want you to think of 12 groups of 12 houses, right? And I want you to think about them being basically each house being 30 degrees. So when you start talking about the houses all together, it would be a 360. You get what I'm saying? A whole 360, which is a whole circle or a halo, or however you guys look at it. So I want to start talking about this because I want to break down the 12 houses, which is being the first house of who are you, which is who I am I. You know what I'm saying? So I want to break down who you are and stuff like that. So I want y'all to be able to get with your birth certificate or anything like that. So not that fake birth certificate either, the one that come from the little bureau people. I ain't talking about that one. I'm talking about the one that actually come from the hospital, the one that actually got your real birth time on it and all that. Because when you need this to correlate your soul map and to make sure that everything go correct and don't be messed up and stuff like that, and to go the correct way, you got to have the correct timing and stuff like that, so in a correct place and stuff, so we could be able to show you where you came from and where to go and how to ascend. You know what I'm saying? How to get out of this dimension, basically. You get what I'm saying? So as a unit, and as all us being in this one universe, sharing each one of our verses to what we got and what we got to live for. Everybody go through their own life path. So understand your life path might be different from others. Well, it will be different from others. Everybody have their own individual goal and their own individual life thing. But these when you're looking at your soul map and stuff like that, and you correlating the stars and stuff like that, you will also find that all of this stuff is true, even about you, even the things that you knew or thought about yourself. This will teach you more about yourself, because some people walk around and they think they like things and they think they don't like things, and the way they feel about things, and they think that it's wrong why they feel like that and stuff like that, and they don't understand why. So I want to make this video because after this, bro, it's getting deep, and I need y'all to keep up with me. I was going to start out like this, but I didn't want to lose y'all. You get what I'm saying? So I wanted to give people, newcomers and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, like people maybe that's sleep or stuff like that, to get a chance of raising their awareness so they can start seeing what's going on. So now when I start talking about, you know what I'm saying, the housing and stuff like that, and the zodiac signs and the planets coming through and things like that, so y'all won't be lost and stuck behind. But no, I'm not repping no religion or nothing like that, bro. I'm repping me. That's why I always say that. I'm me. You get what I'm saying? That's how you supposed to live. You supposed to be yourself. Whoever you is, you have your own goal to get to your higher self. And that's the whole point of living. So why wouldn't you want to learn about this? So, man, if y'all ready to learn, bro, just please get this video up to 20 likes, and I will drop it soon as y'all say drop it, 20 likes and a couple comments, bro, I'll drop it. I promise y'all, man. And I'm glad to see y'all. It been a minute. Y'all know I've been down. I've been sick, bro. And the good thing is, things in my life been taking a good toll and stuff like that. And y'all can see in this video, I'm glad y'all did, because that means, you know what I'm saying, if you was glad to see another day and another day of learning. And let's take that to heath. And by you clicking this video, I know you was serious. So, man, I'm out. OG Drip.